Your gut is where your digestion and nutrient absorption happens, but it also plays a big role in hormone regulation. Poor gut health can cause inflammation, and then inflammation can disturb hormonal balance. When your gut is not healthy, your body will struggle to regulate your hormones. Here are some signs that your gut may be affecting your hormones. Bloating, constipation, frequent cravings, you want to eat every single time, fatigue, skin breakouts, acne, not just on your face, besties. Some persons have breakouts on their backs, their chest areas, and so many other areas of their body. This is a sign that your gut is not healthy. When this occurs, or you're already seeing these signs, these are the practical things that you can do to help yourself. 1, eat more of fiber-rich foods. Go for probiotics, your fermented foods. If you don't know what probiotics are, check out my video. I've talked about it before now. Go for them. They are going to help build and grow more good bacteria in your gut. Reduce processed foods. Drink more water. Keep your body hydrated, besties. Eat whole meals. Leave all these packaged foods alone. Without further ado, you already know that healthy gut equals to healthier hormones. Save this video and of course share it with somebody that is constantly bloated whenever they eat so that they will know what to do next time. See you in my next one.